Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session on Agent Chat and Advanced Work Assignment, AWA. Myself, Samyukta Reddy, I'm working in ServiceNow Conversational Interfaces Product Management Team, leading Agent Chat and Advanced Work Assignment. Along with me, Scott Rhodes, Vinay Mohan, Samantha Santo, who are our inbound product management team. The idea behind this workshop is to provide all the capabilities that we have delivered so far from Madrid to Rome release. Here is the agenda: Agent Chat Overview, Agent Chat Advanced Topics, Connect Support Future. We are planning a deprecation on Connect Support product. AWA Overview, AWA Advanced Topics. Before jumping on to the topics, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. For your convenience, I have broke this workshop into multiple videos on capability wise along with demos. I have provided all those information below this video. Please go through the playlist and watch all the videos to understand all the capabilities that we have provided. With no further ado, let's jump on to the topics.